Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install Antigravity IDE. So guys, if you want to install the Antigravity IDE, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, basically here you see that first when I go for download Antigravity. First you simply go for download Antigravity. Here you download the agent where you can, like here you see, where you can search and run its like you create the workspace, you create the rules, and you can run your like chatbot, AI chatbot. Okay, where you can choose the model. Okay, and here you create all this stuff, and here if you want to create and add the project, so you also add the new project. So basically this is a workspace where you can integrate it with the AI and you can work in some specific chatbot. Now if we are talking about the IDE, so IDE basically is the different platform where we can just we are doing code in the different type of languages and the different type of extensions. Okay, so this is the chatbot, and now we install the IDE. So first you install this chatbot, and Antigravity just simple as just download and open it, and here you go for the download. Okay, and just install it like here, then double click on it, and you just put it into the application folder, and your installation process is complete. Now if we are talking about the IDE, so guys here you see there is one install option which is called install IDE. So you just click here and you just go Google Antigravity editor. So basically it is the editor that's offer you a um, edit all of these things. So you just go here and here Antigravity, download Antigravity, go here. I think it's download again same. So guys here you see, now guys here you see this is the platform Antigravity IDE. Here is the SDK, here is the CLI. So we are download the IDE. So make sure you just go here and download IDE. Okay, so I'm stop the last one. Okay, so remove it, and guys here you see that my downloading process is begin. Okay, and if you are a window user, so you just use the window and the for the Linux. Okay, so it's for 64 bits users. Okay, and here is the Apple user. If you have Intel, so you use the for Intel and download for the Apple Silicon. Then you go here, so it's take few seconds. Now it's done. You just click here, open it in a folder. Now again double click it. So before download it, remove this one, also remove it from the recents. Then go here and double click on it. So it start verifying your Antigravity. Now you simply drag it into your application. Now guys here you see that we install we install the Antigravity chatbot as well as the IDE. Okay, so it's take around 690 MB. So it's copying. When you download, so you just delete this app from your downloads. Okay, so just a second. I also check my storage. Actually I have low storage, so I'm just available 2.1 GB. Go and check if possible to free up some space. Here you see that its size around 4.39 GB. Okay, so you go here, so I uninstall this Microsoft Teams. So I am enter the password here. Okay, also desktop, primarily desktop, not use too much. So these also help me to increase my space. Now here you see my application is installed. Now I'm going to the application folder, and here you see this is my Antigravity IDE. Both the symbol are same, but the basic difference is the IDE is black and your Antigravity chatbot is in white. So if you want to continue with Google, so you just logged in, otherwise you simply click the option of next. Okay, so I think login is compulsory. Just go here and click it. Click the option of sign in, then open Antigravity IE. You have successfully authenticated. So here you see it start, then next. Then if you want to choose the setup flow from import from the VS Code, so you just choose this option. And if you want to set up the start fresh new, so you just fresh new. Here you see how do you want to use the Antigravity. So I'm just using the review and development. Click the option of next. There are some keybinds. If you are creating some keybinds, so you just do it and next. So select your project. So currently I'm not selecting any, I'm just open it. Now guys, here you see this is the way that your application is now. It is same as just like your VS Code, but it is fast with the support of Antigravity AI agent, as well as there are a lot of new things in it. So guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you. And guys, also here you see that it automatically load my workspaces.